I wanted to record a quick video. I haven't done an analysis in a while, so wanted to kind of show you guys a couple of pairs I'll probably be focused on this week. Probably GU, EU, GJ, and of course gold. I've been kind of razor focused on that for a while. I won't talk about gold on here, but I'm gonna talk about a few pairs. So if you kind of look at GU, and let's start off with GU. You can see the GU has been it's been bullish for a while, and it's been ranging for quite some time between this 1.425 and this 1.41 thousand area. But of course, you know, within that range or that huge consolidation, there were a lot of opportunities. So on this side, I have my day chart. On this side, I have my 4 hour. So both of these are GU. So if you kind of caught this up here in this area here, I mean, you could have capitalized on this possibly 130 pips, you know, if you were able to catch it and ride it down. But as of late, you can see it's kind of been, you know, capping at this little minor resistance that I have here. And if you were able to catch it at this little minor zone, ride it down, that's about 90 pips or so. But as of right now, a couple of things, like I said, I'm looking for on this. Like right now, this thing is ranging. So for me, you know, you can kind of draw a consolidation box here. And one of the tricks I've kind of learned over my experience of trading, more times than not, when price is ranging and it breaks that range, the consolidation box you have, if you clone it, this consolidation, you know, you can kind of put the box here. More times than not, when price breaks it, price would actually move the same equal distance as the previous box. So what I would be looking for this particular pair is for price to break this day trend that I have here, you know, give us a retest on the day time frame, and then we can possibly ride it down. But however, like I said, we have to adjust with the market. I'm not going to ignore this 1.4 thousand area. So price get here, of course, you know, if I can catch the sell for this, of course I will take TP here, you know, because I can see that this is respected. You can see you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hits on this particular area, this key area. But if it breaks this, then of course I can ride it down to this area as well, and kind of, you know, you can see price has kind of respected this as well for another confluence. Let's kind of move over to EU. We look at EU. Well, you know what, before we actually go to EU, let's kind of look at another confluence to go with my bias. So if we look at the DXY, you can tell on the DXY, it's been bearish for quite some time. This is the day trend here, but you can see it's broken that day trend. And now we're kind of, you know, we have a break of structure, you know, right up in this area here, where now you got higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. You know, this one kind of stopped, you know, when the market stopped, but you can see that we have, you know, signals that price is reversing. So anything versus the DXY, the US dollar, it should be dropping. So let's look at EU as well. We got a similar situation. EU, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. And then you see this one broke this one here, and this was a break of structure. So now we look at this a different way. You know, high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So for EU, I'll be looking for a break and retest, and I believe EU will possibly make it down to this 1.2 thousand area. It might not make it all the way down there this week, but I'll definitely be looking for price to drop. Another one that we might want to look at is possibly GJ. This is a pair I've been looking at, you know, off and on for a little bit, and so price has finally closed below this 1.55 area. So one thing I would like to see is for it to break and close below here, this little minor area, and we can possibly ride it down to this 1.53750, because I can see price has been respecting this area, and if we ride it down there, you know, that we can get possibly about 84 pips or so. So that's my analysis on these 3 pairs that I'll be kind of focused on this week. If other confluences and alerts hit my, you know, go off, then I'll adjust and look at those as well. But I hope this blesses somebody, and, you know, go be great. One.